Hi, class 12. Let's continue our class, right? So we stop in this, isn't it? So you haven't answered this one. So this is just a simple application of Kirchhoff's law, isn't it? So this figure says that from this I3 draw, isn't it? So from here, this is a junction, isn't it? So current distribute, isn't it? So I1, I2, it goes like this. Okay, so junction rule is done, isn't it? So I3 equals to how much? I1 plus I2, right? So this is your junction rule from H. So this at this point, this should be I1, and this is also I1. Clear? So again, from here they add it, and I3 comes, isn't it? Right? So this is your junction rule. Now next rule is your uh, next rule is your loop rule, isn't it? So these are the loops. Okay, so loop rule says that the potential drop across the loop is 0, isn't it? Sum is 0. So see, this is your current and this is our path, isn't it? We're going like this. So minus how much? Same path and current. So minus 30 I1. Again go this side. So what is this? Minus to plus. So plus 45. Then goes, these are this in series, isn't it? So how much? Minus, same, isn't it? So minus 41 I3 equals to 0. So this loop is done, isn't it? Another loop, if you go like this, then what you will get? See, start from here, 30, isn't it? In your book they started from this path. Okay, clear? So from here you can go. So you'll get minus 30 I1, isn't it? This is your minus 30 I1 goes down. Then this is your different, isn't it? This is the path and current is this, so that there should be plus. So plus 20 plus 1, 21 I2. Then how much is there? This one should be 80 volt, isn't it? So plus 80 equals to 0. So this is very easy, isn't it? Just two rules are applied, isn't it? So now next, this is the problem. Example, you see a problem, isn't it? So let first draw it, then we'll discuss. Okay. So let me draw a cube, isn't it? This is your cube, isn't it? All sides are equal. So let's draw a cube. So this is our cube. Any type of cube you can draw. Okay, all sides are equal, isn't it? And it says that yes, all resistance are 1 ohm, isn't it? 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm. All the resistance are 1 ohm. And from C, this point is your C. Okay, we connect a battery, isn't it? Sorry, potential how much? 10 volt, and again with this one, isn't it? Anyone you can put, isn't it? Why? Because this is symmetric, isn't it? So if you draw, if you see this one, so all the resistance are same, then this should be get current I, and this will also get current I, isn't it? Why? They are symmetry, equal resistance, isn't it? सबैको के छ बराबर छ resistance, so equal current will go, isn't it? So we draw 3 ampere. sorry 3i. Okay, so 3i is coming, so it goes with I सबैतिर के गयो I गयो. Clear? This is the point A. Clear? Now हेर्दै जाऊ, यहाँदेखि यहाँ गयो I, isn't it? So from here what will go? So यहाँदेखि उता के हुन्छ, हाफ I हुन्छ हुँदैन, I by 2, यता पनि के हुन्छ I by 2, यो दुईटा के भयो I by 2. Clear? फेरि यहाँ हेर, यो के भयो, यहाँ त I छ, isn't it? So this is what, I by 2, I by 2 plus I by 2, how much? This is I, isn't it? Clear? Likewise this is I, this is also I by 2. So again this is I and this is how much, I by 2. So here comes I, isn't it? I again see I, this is what, I by 2. So I by 2 plus I by 2, how much? This is I. So last मा कति हुन्छ, 3i नै हुन्छ हुँदैन, यहाँबाट 3i will get out, isn't it, from this symmetric figure. Clear? So now you can take any loop. Okay, so first one is done, isn't it? Junction rule is done, isn't it? So now you can take any loop. So this, you can take this one, isn't it? This one loop, say A B C, C is there, A B B C E, again A, any loop. Okay, so this is the direction of loop, clockwise. If you take, then what happens, see, so from here how much current is you drawn, isn't it, already? So current and your path is same, isn't it? So minus I R, isn't it? मजाले सोच, मजाले सुन, अन्त म त्यही अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड. फेरि यहाँ हेर, यहाँ कति हुन्छ, this is the path, isn't it? So this is how much, again minus 1 by 2 I R. यहाँ क्या कति हुन्छ, again minus I R. Then कहाँ पुग्छ तिमी, सेलमा. So this is your EMF of the cell, isn't it? So E लेख अहिले. Okay, भरे सल्भ गर्दा चाहिँ 10 लेख्नुपर्छ, इक्विभ्यालेन्ट निकालेर. Okay, so this should be equals to how much, 0, isn't it? Yes or no? 0. राम्रो हेर, take time. So now solve it first. So see, यो सबै जोड, यो चाहिँ अकेले राख्दियो. Okay, so E equals to how much, उतापट्टि लाँदा के हुन्छ, IR. तिम्रो म्याथमेटिक्स लाउ न, हुन्छ म्याथमेटिक्समा, प्लस IR. Clear? Clear? So this is how much, E equals to LCM 2 IR plus IR plus 2 IR, isn't it? So how much, 5 IR by 2. Clear? बुझ्यो, यहाँ माथि लेखिदिन्छु ल. So E equals to how much, 5 IR by 2. Clear? So now we know that equivalent resistance, how much. So R equivalent equals to how much, V by IR, isn't it? Or V by I. So V how much, V by I. So V how much here, V is your EMF, I how much, 3I. Clear? बुझ्यो यो लाइन, यो लाइनमा प्रब्लम भयो तिमीलाई. Why? Because you are not playing with this formula. Okay, you should play with formula. So यो त अहिले निकालेको छ, 5 by 2 IR into 1 by 3I. So how much will you get? So this equals to how much? 5 I R. I cancel, isn't it? I कट्टा, so 5 R by 6. बुझ्यो कुरा? I कट्टा गयो, so 5 by 6 R. So this is your equivalent resistance of the circuit. So now you have to find the current in each resistor, isn't it? So for सबैमा के छ, R equals to how much? 1 ohm, isn't it? R equivalent कति छ? 5 by 6 R, isn't it? हाम्रो potential कति छ? 10 volt, isn't it? Then total current कति छ? Total current I equals to 3I. So find I, isn't it? So 3I equals to how much? V by I, isn't it? So V how much? 10 by कति छ? R 5 by 6 ohm, isn't it? Clear? So here, now calculate. See, 3I equals to 10 into 6 by 5 ohm, isn't it? Right. So this is how much? 60, or 3I equals to 60 upon 5, isn't it? So this is how much? This is C3, how much? 3, 2, isn't it? So, or you can cross multiply, isn't it? So 15I equals to 60, or I equals to 60 by 15. So I equals to how much? Got 4 ampere. So each that age has 4 ampere as a current. Clear? So you can ohm 5 by 6 R, isn't it? R is your 1, isn't it? So this is what you need. So your homework is 3.7. okay, loop banao khoja. Clear? 3.7 homework. Write down homework is 3.7 example. I'm सक्छ तिमीहरु. So next we have project and practical. Okay, so I will send the material. You just make one practical copy, cover love. Okay, so tomorrow show me. I will supply your material. Okay, practical cookie girls. Project also I will supply your material in WhatsApp. Okay, so that's it for today.